Hi, I'm Crank Cycling Coach Jesse Eisner. Today, I'm going to talk about how to fix a flat. You'll need your wheel off your bicycle, tire irons. You should probably have 3. A pump to pump up your new tube, and a new tube. So we're going to take the valve stem, we're going to rotate it to the bottom. We'll grab our first tire iron, we're going to take that hook, put it under the bead of the tire, and pull that bead over the rim. We'll take this first tire iron and hook it to a spoke. Take your wheel and rotate it 6 inches. We'll take our second tire iron, we take that hook, put it under the bead of the tire. We'll pull that bead over the rim. We'll rotate the wheel forward and slide that tire iron all the way around on that bead. One rotation. We're going to reach under the tire and pull the tube out. We'll rotate the valve stem up to the top again. Pull the tube out. I'm going to take 3 fingers, I'm going to put them inside the tire. We're going to do 1 rotation around the inside of the tire. We're looking for rocks, thorns, or glass. After at least 1 rotation with our fingers, we're going to take our new tube, make sure the valve stem is open, going to blow some air into it with our mouth. Going to close that valve stem. Put our new valve stem in first. Then we'll change position. I'm going to take that tube from the valve stem and we're going to tuck it in all the way around. You grab the top of the bead by the valve stem, bead of the tire, I'm going to pull it back inside the rim. We do that all the way around slowly. When we get to the bottom, we're going to hold the wheel against our body. So we're going to take our thumbs and push that last little bit of bead over the rim from both sides slowly. Here we go. All the way around. It's on that rim. Okay. So we're going to take our pump. Mine comes with a little hose. We'll pull that hose out. We're going to attach the end piece to the valve stem. Some are pressure fit, some screw on. Mine screws on. So now that it's attached, we'll pump it up. With a hand pump like this, it can take up to 100 pumps to get your tire pressure high enough to make it home. We'll close the valve stem and place the wheel back on the bicycle. So when we go on a bike ride, we want to make sure to have all the pieces to fix a flat if we get one on the road. We'll start out by making sure that we have a bike bag to carry all of our tools and supplies. Open the zipper on the back. This one is empty right now. I'm going to show you how to pack it. It fits one tube. It's right in there. We'll take our 2 tire irons, put that in there. So this is a patch kit. We're also going to want to bring one of these along on the ride in case we get more than one flat. But it's not our primary tool. We try to use a brand new inner tube to start. Place that in our bike bag. So now in our bike bag we have 1 tube, 2 tire irons, and 1 patch kit. Push the back of the bag closed and we'll zip it up. It is very important that you zip up your bike bag. It's not a good day when you've left your bike bag zipper open and you get a second flat. And then we'll take our pump, and my pump attaches to the frame of my bike, but if you have a jersey, you can also take that pump, because it's so small, and put it in a jersey pocket. Thanks for joining me today. My name is Jesse Eisner, and I'm one of the coaches at Crank Cycling. You can reach me at jesseeisner@crankcycling.com. I do offer beginner cycling packages for those of you that are just getting into the sport. Look me up. See you on the road.